ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Ki doktor ki nurse ki nong tre haringkat ki bor penyai ke Bethany Hospital nong po. Mentara jan mi ki la penrem jur halor ke jingsha penyap bat chale be ijat ke wei ke doktor ke wadang syahikai ha RG Kar Medical College Kolkata. Bat ki la dawa jur bade ban kem bat penchitom jur ye ki tu ki runar ki baladon kiti ban le ye ketika kampap kamsang ke ba omla ban pediang ha ki imlang ka salang. Kum ke jing penpau ke bensim jo jing ngolem ki doktor ki nurse ki nong tre bagi bor penyai ke Bethany Hospital nong po. Mentara jan mi ki la pelong ru da ke jing thang bombiti kum ke jing ngolem ya ke doktor bat ya ki bahi yang asam ki balamat yang ni ke jing ja ke besngosi bat ke ba omla ban pediang ha kalong breu man breu. Nadu ki doktor bagi nurse ki la prem jor bagi la dawa na ke bo sarkar ke jela West Bengal bagi de ban shimkhya man kem ya baro ki bron kiti ha ka ba penyap ba le be jot ya ke doktor bat kum ke ni ke jing ja kam de shu ban ja bat ki bor ke an ki de ben penchitom ki runar khanang mate la kam ya kum kini ki kam ki bakta shisha ya kalong breu man breu nakaliang doktor PM posna lem ki doktor lapan pawru bagi snok tilang pan paw ki jing persha halo kini ki jing sha punya ke doktor kumbalai ki dagi doktor hakaleng gari India ki lapan rem juru ya kini ki jing sha punya ke doktor ke bakta ya ki jing mujung perkhan om tang ya ki doktor bagi ki pajba di barok kawai.
Few days for us, a member of our fraternity had faced such horrendous acts of violence which is beyond thinkable. She had suffered so much and had to, in the line of duty, she was doing work in a place where she thought that she had safety, but instead her life was taken away in spite of comfort which she thought she had. So we demand from the government a more safer, protected environment, not only for us, for our fraternity, but for every female workers, be in any field. It can be in the office, it can be in the schools, it can be in anywhere. We need to protect our dear sisters. They should feel safe to work, the environment where they can give their best, the service which they give their best to our people, to our society. So this few words, I really condemn this horrendous act which has happened in government hospital in Kolkata, and I really wish the family, I do my deepest condolences to the family and their soul this. So as a mark of, in terms with the Indian Medical Council, that's all for just a mark of to show that a solidarity with the whole of doctor fraternity of the country, we from Bethany hospitals will be not functioning of routine OPDs, but emergency services will be available. Anyone can still come to the hospitals. Yes, routine OPDs is closed for tomorrow. Other works, emergency works will continue.